That's a nice question. Let's look at question 4. Question 4 says work out these fractions. This now includes order of operation. A student who does this first is not getting any mark because multiplication comes first. So you should do multiply these first. So let's multiply them. 2/3 times 3/8. 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 8 is 24. Once we have done that, then we can do 5/6 minus 6/24. Now how can you do this? To do that, let's convert the 6 here to be 24. How do we do that? We just multiply by 4, right? If we multiply 6 by 4, it gets to be 24. And we do the same thing here. So your question will be 4 times 5 is 20 over 24 minus 6 over 24. And now it's the same denominator. What's 20 minus 6? It's 14, isn't it? Yeah, it's 14/24. Will you leave your answer like this? Yes? No, you're not getting the full mark, so you need to reduce. 14 and 24 can both be divided by 2. So let's divide here by 2. Let's divide here by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 24 divided by 2 is 12. This is your final answer if you want to get the full mark. Let's go to the next question. It looks fun.